Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? My name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we make sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something that you are interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that is fine. If you're not new here, welcome back. Nice to see you again. Today is a day, it's winter, so there's not a lot of gardening going on. There's not a whole lot of canning going on. There's some sourdough making happening, but it's mostly kind of fun recipes. And today is actually a fun one. Where I grew up, which is near Branson, Missouri, about 45 minutes north is a city called Springfield, Missouri. And if you are familiar with Springfield at all, you might know that at Chinese restaurants there is a meal called Springfield style cashew chicken, and I believe that it's pretty much only served in that area. We live in St. Louis, Missouri, obviously, and we have never seen it on the menu here. So I believe it's pretty just restricted to that area. But occasionally I like to make it. I have not made it in a very, very, very long time. So we're gonna make it today, and I decided to make a video out of it. Now, what makes Springfield style cashew chicken its own thing, I guess, is it is breaded and fried chicken, which is whatever, but the gravy that you put on top of your chicken and rice is like a brown soy saucy, oyster saucy, white pepper kind of thick gravy, and then you top it with cashews and green onions, and it is just, it's one of those nostalgic meals. And I have found a recipe that I use religiously when I do make it, because the sauce or the gravy, whatever you want to call it, tastes exactly like what you would get at a restaurant in Springfield. So we're gonna start with the sauce, because once the sauce is made, I can just set it on warm, and then I can actually work on the chicken, which is what takes the longest, because you have to cut it up and then bread it and then fry it and then, you know, all the things. Excuse me. Normally, I get like pre-made chicken for this. It's been a very long time since I have cut up and breaded and fried my own chicken, so we're gonna just go on a little adventure. So I'm gonna shut it now. It's been a lot of yapping, so come along with me. Let's make some Springfield style cashew chicken. In this pot here, which I'm gonna turn a little medium high-ish, I've got 2 cups of just regular chicken broth, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I am gonna add a tablespoon and a half. I feel like that's what I normally do. The recipe says a tablespoon. I'm pretty sure I normally do a tablespoon and a half. So we've got a tablespoon and a half of white sugar. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. All right, I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then I've got 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in a measuring cup over here to the side, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken broth to that to make it kind of a slurry, and then I'm gonna add it into this once it starts boiling to thicken it. Now the recipe does say to just add the 4 tablespoons of cornstarch directly into the liquid. I think I did that the very first time and it was a horrendous clumpy mess. So I like to add the chicken broth to the cornstarch to make it into more of a smooth slurry before I add it in here. That's just lessons that I have learned from making this. All right, I apologize because the sun is coming in at a horrendous angle right now. So what I'm gonna do, my chicken is over here. I'm gonna take the chicken. It was 5 thighs that I chunked up. You can use breast, you can use thighs, you can use whatever you want. I just prefer thighs. So I chunked up 5 chicken thighs over here. I'm going to dip it in this bag full of, it has 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. That is what is in here. And then this is just 3 eggs beaten. So I'm gonna do flour, egg, flour, and then put it on this plate. And then I do have over here, I have some peanut oil heating up on medium. So that should be ready when we get done with breading the chicken to actually fry it. I'm not excited to fry anything. So let's just go bread the chicken. Alright, so I have the peanut oil up to about 350, which is where you want to have it. I have it a little bit below medium because it's cast iron. And I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So this is the first batch that I have. And I'm going to fry it until it's done. Alright, so I've got rice. It's not a lot of rice because I just don't want a lot of rice, but I have rice. Then I have a bunch of chicken here that is cooked. Can you see? Yes. And I'm going to put some pieces down as much as my heart desires. That is not good for your heart, you know what I mean? There we go. Maybe like 1 more. And then you take the brown gravy sauce. And that's that. It's delicious. We'll have Jonathan try it in a minute because he'll probably definitely complain about the smell in here, for sure. For sure, it's gonna happen. John also grew up on this cashew chicken, so he knows what it should taste like. Yeah, the sauce is what makes it for sure. I think it's been a really long time since I've actually like fried the chicken in here, because we don't like the smell. We've got our air purifier going over there. We have, it's cold outside, but we have that door open. We have the window open because we're not into the smell. But is it good? Yeah. Does it taste like what it should? Okay. Well, pretty sure the next video is going to be the beef tips and gravy that you requested. Jonathan's not in a good mood, so we're just gonna...
I'm tired.
He's really tired, and he does like it, I promise. Like, I'm not just...
Oh, really good.
Yeah, he's just not... He's worked himself a lot today. So, anyway, he'll see you in the next video because he requested beef tips and gravy, of which I have never made, or I don't think I've ever had. So, I don't think I've ever had beef tips and gravy. So, anyway, we'll see everyone in the next video. Okay, bye!